If you are doing Kapalabhati, you have to do one thing after its completion. That is not going to be a very challenging one for you because it is a very simple thing. What you have to do after the completion of your Kapalabhati is that just inhaling through both of your nostrils and exhaling to the mouth, but you have to keep your lips first. So it will control the breathe out of your mouth. So why we have to do like this is that typically Kapalabhati invigorates your brain and it actually activates the dormant sections and portions of the brain. So here the breath is very fast moving towards the brain. So to manage this flow, you have to finally end up with just doing like this. I mean, inhalation through both of your nostrils and exhalation through the mouth with pursed lip.